Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered if you could hypnotize someone in just seconds? Well, today I'm going to unlock that mysterious power for you. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. First things first, what is hypnosis? It's a state of focused attention, heightened suggestibility, and deep relaxation. Sounds fancy, right? But it's something our brains naturally do every day. Daydreaming or getting lost in a good book. Yep, that's a form of hypnosis. Now let's get into the real deal, hypnotizing someone instantly. The secret lies in the instant induction technique. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Establish rapport. This means building a connection with your subject. Talk to them, make them comfortable, and ensure they trust you. This is crucial because a relaxed mind is more open to hypnosis. Step 2. Use a pattern interrupt. Our brains love patterns. When you abruptly break a pattern, it creates a moment of confusion, and in that split second the mind is highly suggestible. A classic example is shaking someone's hand and then gently pulling it towards you saying, "Sleep." Their mind doesn't expect it, and boom, they're in a trance. Step 3. Deepen the trance. Once they're in that initial state, guide them deeper with calming words and visualization. You might say, imagine you're floating on a cloud, feeling lighter and lighter. But hold up, let's talk ethics. Hypnosis should never be used to manipulate or control someone against their will. Always ensure your subject is a willing participant and knows what to expect. Consent and respect are non-negotiable. So, why would you want to hypnotize someone? Hypnosis can be a powerful tool for relaxation, overcoming fears, breaking bad habits, and even boosting creativity. It's like having a superpower that can make positive changes in people's lives. A quick recap: build rapport, use a pattern interrupt, and deepen the trance. Easy, right? But remember, it takes practice to master. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't work perfectly the first time. Keep at it and you'll get there. And there you have it, the secret to hypnotizing someone in seconds. But remember, use this power wisely. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of hypnosis, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep exploring the mysteries of the mind. Until next time.